This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bob Warrock. Well-maintained home in East Boca Raton. Only 1 mile to the beaches and parks. Nob Hill is a HOA-restricted community of 81 zero-lot line homes with a clubhouse and community pool. This 1-story, 2-bedroom 2-bath with a large 2-car garage is on a private lot and is ready for a new owner. This home has an updated kitchen with granite countertops and full backsplash and updated bathrooms. New wood plank laminate flooring throughout. There is also handicap features with wide doorways and hallways, main bathroom shower and an open floor plan. There is a new screened and covered patio for outside leisure living. The tile roof was replaced in 2014 along with the AC system and water heater thereafter. The community takes care of your outside landscaping and is pet friendly. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Warrock at 561-283-7370.